Hey, welcome to 881 IT, the home to unboxing videos, IT videos, tutorials, whatever you want to call it, it is right here on this channel. Today's video is going to be a cool unboxing video of the HP 27-inch full high definition monitor. So if that's something that floats your boat, or if you're in the market to buy one, this is the video you want to be watching. So let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, so here is the monitor. Like I said, it's the HP 27-inch full HD monitor. That's what it looks like in the packaging. And these are some of the features. I'm just going to run through the features. It says it's stylish, ultra slim display, which of course that's expected. Micro edge design. And we also have the Vivid Entertainment in 920 by 1080p resolution. And of course the IPS ultra-wide 178-degree viewing angles with IPS technology. And of course we have the smooth and quick 5 millisecond gray-to-gray transitions. And finally, ready to connect with both VGA and HDMI. HDMI cable is included. Okay, a few photos of what the monitor looks like and before we open it. So that's what the box looks like. It's a pretty cool 27-inch diagonal display. All right, I'm all excited to open this actual box, and you know, I don't really have the patience, but hey, let's get started with opening this bad boy. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. All right, so that's a bit of a slip of the scissors there. I know I should be using a box cutter, but hey, to be honest, I don't have one, so whatever I find, that's the one I'm going to use. And I think the scissor has done its job. Alright, so that's the packaging. Okay, and final. Yeah, there you go. What I like doing when I am unboxing is to have the box sitting on the floor. I think it gets a lot easier that way. You know, you just pull it out. It's like a technique rather than have it sit vertical. The best way to do it is when it's horizontal. So there you have it. It's coming out of the box nice and easy, nice and slow, and from there I can already see okay, let's pull it out towards us, towards myself, and it's kind of not the easiest to be doing it one-handed, but hey, it is what it is. I'm filming at the same time while doing the unboxing. Okay, so that's what it is. I'm going to keep this box aside for now, and this is what it looks like. You just get the HDMI cable. You get the power cable that connects to the monitor to the wall socket. You get the, what's this? Yeah, so this is actually just the kind of stand that the monitor would sit on, and of course you also get let's see, get the actual flat panel so that the stand goes on. Okay, that's nicely packaged, and of course you also get this little power adapter that connects with, it goes along with this, with the power cable. Okay, so the power adapter and the power cable, just like you would have for a computer or a desktop or a laptop. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna lift this up and we should see our monitor packed nice and snug inside it. Okay, so that's what the monitor is, and I should have done it the other way around actually, but I'm gonna turn it using my left hand. Okay, so as you can see on this monitor right here, it comes with this packet, this quick setup guide. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take it out from its wrapping, and this is what it looks like. So this is a beautiful monitor. It looks amazing. Really like it. It might look smaller on the camera, but wow, what a monitor. It just feels very steady. And I'm going to place it down here so you guys can see it. What are the ports out here? So it's got a HDMI, it's got a VGA, and that's pretty much it. And of course you have the stand. You can attach it to the stand here. And my finger is pointing here on the stand, and it has the power supply, which is here. It has the VGA, which is here, and it has the HDMI, which is in the middle. Okay, if I'm correct, yes, that's what it is. And that's the back of the monitor. It feels very sleek and kind of like a flat screen TV. And this is what it looks like from the front. Okay, it's HP, and that's what it is. Absolutely stunning piece of, I want to call it art, but it's a stunning piece of electronics. So that's pretty much the unboxing. You guys are interested in this monitor? It is the HP 27-inch. It is a full high-definition monitor. That's what the packaging says, but I'm absolutely happy with it. It looks beautiful, and it's going to look stunning when I have it nicely installed. So that's what it looks like. And wow, what a piece of art, honestly. It's so cool. So this monitor is going to be part of my Dell setup, which I'm going to be connecting the Dell OptiPlex 7020 to it, and it's going to give me stunning pictures just using it. And I'm absolutely excited and absolutely stoked that I actually got this monitor and I made the right choice. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. And this is 8181IT. My name is Savio, and hope to speak to you soon in one of my future upcoming IT videos. Until next time, you take care, and hasta la vista.